All right, guys, so we are going to move on to our next passage it's called In Our House. Here we go. There are many things in our house. There is a couch. It is big. We sit on the couch. There is a refrigerator. It is cold. Food is in it. There is a table. It is brown. That is where we eat. There is a tub. It is wet. That is where we wash up. There is a bed. It is soft. That is where we sleep. Number 1, the first question is, what is one thing in the house? I gave you several things that are in the house, and you can look up here at the pictures just in case you forgot. Number 2 says, what else could be in the house? A horse? I've never seen a horse in a house. A sink? Or a car? So what else could be in the house? That finishes our In the House passage. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.